Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok in 2022. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video, as it means a lot to me. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So, TikTok has gone through so many updates that the text-to-speech feature has been evolving. So let me show you how to use the text-to-speech on your TikTok app. So before we begin, first make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by going into the App Store or the Play Store and updating it there. Once it has been updated, go ahead and open the app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video on TikTok. Next, upload a video from your phone or record a video using TikTok's camera. Once that is done, go to the next screen, which is your TikTok editing screen. Now, to do a text-to-speech, you will need some text on screen. Tap on the text icon at the top right, then type in something. Now this is where you can enable text-to-speech. Just above the keyboard, you'll see this text-to-speech icon. It looks like a person with some sound waves coming out of their mouth. If you tap on that, text-to-speech will be enabled and it'll show you a menu of all the text-to-speech voices. If you forget to enable text-to-speech from here, you can press done, then tap on text, and then on this menu, select the text-to-speech option. This will enable the text-to-speech feature. Next, tap on the text again and choose Change Voice. You'll get the text-to-speech menu at the bottom. Here you have a selection of different voices. Each option has a different voice with a different gender and style. Now this is depending on the region and the version of TikTok you have. Tapping on each of the voices will give you a preview of how it will sound. Once you're happy with the selection, tap on Done to set the voice. Now the voice will depend on when the text is on screen. If you want the voice to start after some time, then you'll need to change the position of the text. You can do this by tapping on the text, then tapping on Set Duration. At the bottom, you'll see this timeline with a red box. Select the left edge of the red box and slide it to the middle. This will result in the text to appear later on, and the voice will start later on once the text appears on the video. Press a tick once you're happy with the position. Now, using the same technique, you can add more text-to-speech text on your video. And that is how to use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok in 2022. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.